With over 200 patents and 10 million annual exports, we manufacture certified typefader, bicycle inflator, vacuum cleaner, SUP, blower, and more. Our products comply with dozens of global safety and PMC standards, including CE, RoHS, FCC, CCC, and more. Our standard production workflow includes injection, assembly, function testing, laser, burning test, packaging, spot check, shipping. We have hundreds of typefaders for you to choose, and also we can provide OEM and ODM service. Combining advanced R&D with rigorous testing, we are able to deliver safe, durable, and high-efficient car life for you. Let's work together, and I promise I will give you a good price.